So I made a few wagons and I have like a 50 more over there. But anyways, so I made this. I asked you guys if this one was okay, but you say it was too long. So you were right. I reduce it. I make it a little shorter. Actually, it's the same size as this band here, and works nice. Now let me tell you, I made this kind of wheels. I like them better than. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. See, the difference is, yeah, I try to make it the same as the right here. Try to make something like this, but the result I did not like it, and I say, you know what, I'm going to do like this way. This looks much better. So it does looks better, well, in my opinion. It's up to the customer if they want to get it or not, but anyways, this has been painted, so that takes time to paint. It's not easy. Now talking about the height, it should not be higher. Where is my sorry, somewhere, anyways. So it's in the middle of this, between this between the troublesome truck or wagon. Forgot to put the screw on that one. So there you have an idea how tall it is, and against Toby. So anyways, this runs perfectly on a Trackmaster track or Tomy track. Yeah, and I have others over there, so I don't have to show off. I have 40 more ready for shipping, plus another 20 more. And if you are interested, I recommend you to use PayPal. The PayPal button you see on the link, the first link. eBay, I have, and I'm forced to put it $5 more on eBay. So if you want to take a chance, go check PayPal button. It's $5 or $6 less than eBay. And this thing takes time to paint, guys. This one right here, it's paint. Takes a lot of time. I tried with, what is the big one? I already lost it right here. What's all right in my face? So this is vinyl, but the thing is that you need to prepare the body, make it smoother, and then heat the vinyl. I just start to peel it off. I scratch it and it comes off easily, unless you apply a coat, so that will prevent from coming off. So this was no coat, and this is a coat of paint, clear paint. You don't see it, but anyways, that's the idea. So I say, you know what, this is going to take me more time. Why? Because you need to transfer the vinyl. It still works, but you need to know how to prepare and do it. So this one is less time, and painted over this thing. The only thing I gotta do is protect the surrounding areas that I don't want to paint, and it will work fine, and it stays in the paint stays in the wagon. Unless you scratch really hard, it will come off of the wall. So if interested, check the link in the description. I recommend you to check PayPal button. eBay, it's going to be expensive. We are forced to charge more to cover eBay fees, but in this case, if you go to PayPal, it will be less because I don't have to pay those fees to eBay, and then you don't have to pay for extra for that. But yeah, this tree looks good. Actually, I want to make me a train like this, and I'm working on some of these wagons. That might be for Gordon, for James, Henry, or Percy. They look nice, and we can just put two colors. This is the first one. I have more. Obviously, the same length or dimensions as of this right here. That's the end of the train, so it will look nice. I have also the longer version. Let me see if I can reach it right here, but I think it will be better the short version. That's too bright. Okay, I gotta change. There it goes. Short version, I think it's better. Well, whatever. Okay, check the link below. Thank you.